See, I am a sensible senior politician than Mr. Nadda. I have been in the assembly last 36 years. I have a basic common sense. I have not said that there will be any. I have said casually there will be so many changes after various judgments. Whatever reservation has been given as per the quota of the backward class has been given. I have not said that we are going to change the constitution or not that. Whatever they are quoting is wrong. They are miscarrying it. I am categorically telling that we are a national party. We know what is the constitution, how constitution has been. It is our party. We have brought the constitution to this country, and they are misguiding. I will take a breach of privilege on this. I will fight out a case. They are misquoting me. I have not quoted out anything on this. Why should I tell? I have said casually that there are so many places when judgments come on the basis of judgment, some constitution have been changed. That's all. I have not referred to this issue. This is the issue. If they want to take my name, if they want to feel happy with taking my name everywhere, let them do whatever they want.
Mr. Kiran Rijiju, Union Minister says, Mr. Kiran,
Huh?
Misquoting media or BJP?
Media is not misquoting. It is BJP misquoting. Where is media good? They have, you see the record. I just saw the record just right now after looking at.
Sir, Malviya has specifically tweeted on this, sir.
No, let see. They are political people. They try to misguide the country itself. Not only the BJP always try to misguide the country. Where I have said that I am going to change the constitution.
Do you think they are peddling fake news, sir?
See, they are very famous on peddling fake news like this. Because they know that every day the graph is dipping. So I will not leave at this stage.
On record, will you just say this 4% reservation is based on what? One for record sake.
See, this is on record, I am telling you, on the basis of the backward class. Backward class, what is in my state, on that basis, my government has taken a call. That's all. I know that will go to the court. I said that let us wait for the court in so many cases on so many states. It may be Maharashtra, it may be Haryana, or many states on this type of reservation. People have gone to the court and courts have given various judgments. That is why I said after various judgments, the constitutions will have to have changed earlier. I am not I am also a sensible man with well experience in this legislative system.